Welcome back, guys. Been a few days. Had some things going on. Hadn't got to do much of anything. But today, let's see if I can get a close up. We are going to be putting together the Mighty Morphin Power Rangers Battle Bike Blue Ranger construction set. Set is made by Forever Clever, brand I've never heard of. But it is Hasbro licensed. I picked this up the other day at, Bargain Hut. It's a local discount surplus store that we have. Picked it up for $4, which compared to usual, that's fairly cheap compared to some of the other ones I've seen. But I've already got my son. We got the red one here a while back. We put it together. I haven't got the decals put on it yet, but just to give you a little idea of what it looks like. I've been on the lookout for, I think they make black and green in these as well. But let's see, we're going to open this one up today, crack it open, and actually put it together. So, it is according to the box, it is a 50-piece set. As I said, I've been absent the last little bit. Haven't done any videos lately. I've had some loss in the family, so kind of been busy, taking some time off for some things. But we're back at it again. Got the instruction sheet on these. I actually put the red one back together. We put it together once and it got busted up, taken apart. So I've already done it twice. But as you can see, all 50 pieces in this bag of goodies. So I guess I'm going to give you my review on these. One thing that I really like about these construction sets is the decals, the stickers. I mean, you get a pretty good size amount to complete this set with, which I really liked. I mean, it's got everything. You've got the Triceratops decal. You've got vents. It's got the Power Rangers logo, stripes, and everything. Like I said, I've got the sheet for the Red Ranger here. As you can see, there's quite a few. Actually, I see a stripe that I forgot to put on, so I've actually got to do that one. But it's a nice set. I really like the fact that on the figures, everything is printed on those figures. You don't have to actually decal them because that would be a pain. I mean, overall, for $4 for this little small construction set, I really like them. They're nice. But for the cons, I have a few on that. One thing that kind of bugged me, which I'm picky about stuff, was on the box. As you can see on the front of the cannon, we have a clear piece, whereas on the actual toy, we didn't get one. Would have been nice. I think it would look a lot better with those being clear, but you know, hey, little details. The other thing, these blocks don't tend to stay together as well as Legos, like name brand. They don't snap, they don't click as good. So you kind of have to be careful. As I said, the Red Ranger's already been knocked apart 2 or 3 times. So I finally got him back together. One of the other things is the handlebars. I'm not sure why, but handlebars are way out here. And as you can see from the figure's arms, there's no putting those on the handlebar grips. Just not going to happen. The other thing, like I said, it's minor stuff, me just being picky mostly, was the instructions. For one thing, I'm colorblind, which doesn't help things sometimes. But when doing these instructions, those blues were so dark, it was really hard to tell how to get everything together. But I'd already done the red one, so I kind of had an idea. So nothing major, but as far as that goes, like I said, I would really recommend it. I've also got, I didn't show these, but I also have the instruction sheets for the Red Ranger. If anybody's lost theirs, because that does happen sometimes. But overall, I'm definitely going to try and pick up the rest of this set, do those, because they make a really nice set altogether. I wish they had made one for every Ranger, as opposed to, like I said, I think they did green and black as well as these two. But that's the way it goes. They try to make things hard for people with OCD, I guess. But I appreciate you watching. Like I said, we're going to have some more stuff. I'm getting back into doing some more videos. Like I said, give us some likes, some comments. We're coming up on, we lack 10 subscribers from having 100 on the channel, which is awesome. And not only that, the video for the Dino Fury, I think the Primal Mega Pack, is just about at 10,000 views, which is absolutely amazing. I can't believe that I've got right at 10,000 views on a video. But like I said, if you have any ideas, you have anything you want to see, feel free to message me, comment on the video. Like I said, hammer those like buttons, subscribe to the channel. We'll have more stuff coming, especially it being warmer weather. I'm going to be able to get out and hit some of the flea markets and stuff. But until then, guys, appreciate you tuning in. Have a great weekend.